As you can see, we got the OXO analog temperature gauge. Very fun design. I was saying to some friends earlier, this kind of reminds me of the Braun watch face design, if you've ever seen those. It's just so simple, very easy to read. I like that it has both Celsius and Fahrenheit. Obviously, Fahrenheit's a little bit more in demand on this analog thermostat, but it is what it is. On the sides, on the plastic cover, which comes right off, it has some temperatures to cook your food up to as the minimum so that you don't hurt yourself, which is, very nice. Comes with it on both sides. Even tells you allow 3 minutes rest time before carving or eating, which is kind of funny to me that they've put that on the temperature gauge, but I love it. The gauge itself is very light, very easily maneuverable, It's got a little bit of a rough piece right here, which, they just didn't polish it on the bottom, so I assume that helps with temperature reading. Other than that, the rest of it is polished. It's very simple. The plastic cover, also very simple. It kind of hugs the temperature gauge up to a certain point. Right here it doesn't hug, but the moment you get it in right there, it starts to hug it. So you don't have to worry about that thing coming out, coming loose, poking you. And let's see this thing in action. The quickest way that I could come up with the way to show you is I have this lava lamp over here. So I'm just going to throw it on there. And let's watch it go up. As you can see, moving up, we are checking the temperature of the lava lamp light bulb. Oh man, we're getting to 100. Anyway, as you can see, it does work. It's a very fun, maybe fun's not the right word. It's a very simple device, but it does the job and it does it quickly. So I totally recommend it. Let's put it back. Yeah, I actually got this from my girlfriend, so hopefully she likes it.